Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make this beautiful top. See, this I have done with a front side open. I have attached buttons here. Okay. See, and on the top I have incorporated shell stitch, and towards the bottom it's all V stitches, and I have done a different pattern in between and completed with V stitches. Here I have used here I have done two rows of single crochets on the neck and two rows of single crochets on the armhole, and here I have done 5 rows of single crochet, and I have incorporated the buttonholes here. Attach the button here. Okay, and this is 100% cotton yarn, 4 ply 100% cotton yarn, and I have been using 3 millimeter hook. Okay, 3 millimeter hook and fine cotton yarn, 4 ply fine cotton yarn. Okay, so let us start. So let us start with chains. Okay, I am using a 4 ply 100% cotton yarn and 3.5 millimeter hook. Okay, so we will start with chains to the length of it's a shoulder measurement. Okay, I will be taking measurement for 14.5 inches. Okay, so we making chains to the measure of 14.5 inches. So I have done a chain to the length of 14.5 inches. Okay, now next is, that is the shoulder length. If you want more shoulders, you can add more chains, that's okay. And next is 1 row of single crochet. Okay, so I'm going to work 1 row of single crochet. So I have completed 1 row of single crochet, and now next is chain 1, turn the pattern and go into the next into the same point and work a single crochet here. Okay, and now you have to skip 2 stitches here, that is 1 and 2, and go into the third one. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so single crochet into the very first point, and then you are going to skip 1 and 2 and going into the third one and working 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and now again I am going to skip 1, 2, and then into the third one I am going to make the single crochet here. So I have made the first shell here. Now again I am going to skip 1, 2, and into the third one I am going to work 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now I am going to skip 1 and 2, and in the third one again 1 single crochet. So like this, that is first single crochet, then skip 2, into the third one 5 double crochets, again skip 2, into the third one 1 single crochet, again skip 2 and go into the third one and make 5 double crochet, and again skip 2 and single crochet into the third one. Like this I will complete this row and come back. So I have reached the last point here and going to single crochet into the last chain here. Okay. So this is the first row of shell stitch. Now next is we are going to turn the pattern, and now we have to make V stitches into each and every points single crochets here. Okay, to these single crochets we are going to make V stitches. So 1, 2 and 3. This is the first arm here. I'm going to chain one more chain here for the chain 1 and double crochet into the same point here. So we have made a V stitch here. Now I'll make one chain here, one chain 1, and into the middle stitch here, that is the third one, 1 2 3, third one. And you have 1 2 more on this side, so 1 2 3. The third stitch here I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, and now again chain 1, and I'm going to make a V into this single crochet here. Double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Okay, again chain 1, and I'm going into the third stitch here and working a single crochet. Okay, again chain 1 and V stitch into the single crochet here, chain 1 and one more double crochet into the same point. Okay, and again chain 1 and into the third one here, that is the middle stitch here, to make a single crochet. See, that is V here, then single crochet into the middle of the shell, that is the third stitch, then again chain 1 and V, then chain 1 and single crochet into the middle of this shell, that's the third stitch, again chain 1 V, chain 1 single crochet. Like this I will complete this row and then come back. So I have reached the last point here, then chain 1 and single crochet into the middle of the shell, again chain 1 and into the last single crochet I'm going to make the V stitch, chain 1 and one more double crochet. Okay, so we have done V stitches as a second row. Now again next row is we are going to start shell stitch. So into the first V we will be making only 3 double crochets, not full 5 double crochets, we are making only half double crochet here. Okay, so that is 1 2 3, and I'm going into the V and going to make 1 and 2. Okay, so we have one chain 3 here and 2 double crochets, that is total of 3 double crochets, only 3 double crochets in the first V. Okay, now I'm going to single crochet into this single crochet here, the middle of the shell here. Okay, so we have done only a half shell here, and continuing with into the V I am going to make the next 5 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and single crochet into the previous single crochet here. Okay, that is on top of the shell here. Like this I will complete this shell. Okay, into every V stitch I will be making 5 double crochets for the chain for the shell, and single crochet into the center of the shell here. We have made a single crochet into this single crochet. I'll be making a single crochet, then 5 double crochets, single crochet, 5 double crochet, single crochet. Like this I will complete the row and come back. So I'll reach the last point here. I've done 5 double crochets and single crochet into the previous single crochet here, and into this V here I'm going to work 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3 the double crochet. Okay, I'm stopping it here. That is the half of this shell. Okay, then again I'll make chain 1, and into the same point here I'm going to make 1 single crochet. Okay, single crochet. We are starting the next V row. So first point is single crochet. Now I'll make a chain here and work a V into this point here. Okay, then chain 1 and into the middle of this shell 1 single crochet. Okay, again chain 1 and into the next single crochet here, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet, chain 1 and single crochet into the middle of the shell. Okay, we have started the second row of V stitches here. Like this, see, like this. I'll keep on working till I reach some 6 inches here. From here I should reach 6 inches. That is the length of the armhole. Okay, I will continuously work till here and then I will come back. That is the back side here. Okay, this is the back side. I'm going to work downwards and complete 6 inches length. Okay, then I will. So I have completed this much, and that comes to 5 inches. Okay, so next is, this is the back side and the sleeves has to go like this. Okay, sleeves will be going like this. So for the next 1 inch I will give an increase on this side so that it will get a curve here. Okay, so for that we have to increase on both sides. So I will show you how to increase on this side. So next is, we are going to start with a shell here. So 1, 2 and 3, first chain. And on the previous rows we have been only doing 3 double crochets here, so that we have to keep this line straight. So from here onwards I am going to expand it. So I'll be making 5 double crochets. Three, 4 and 5. Okay, so you can see we have given a expansion here. Okay, so like this I will continue working the shells till here also. I'll be closing it with 5 double crochets. Usually we close it with 3 double crochet. Here we are going to close it with 5 double crochets. When I reach here I will come back. So I've reached the other end here. So I'm going to fill this V stitch with 5 double crochets, a full shell. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so you can see we have increased this point like this, and next row also I'll be making one more row of this shell stitch, and on the end I'll be making one full shell here. So we will get another expansion till here, and after completing that I will come back. That's the very same thing, repetition. Only thing is you have to close the row with 5 for the shell. You have to close the row with 5 double crochets. That's it. Okay, I will complete one more row and come back. I have done 2 rows of expansion here with 5 double crochets at the end. Okay, starting and closing with 5 double crochets. Okay, by that we got a curve here, that is for the armhole here. Okay, and this armhole comes to 6 inches. Okay, so now I've done the back side till the end of armhole. Okay, now from here I am going to start the front side. So I will turn the pattern, and from here I will be working 2 pieces like this. Okay, this will be the neck here. I will mark the neck here, that is we have to count equal number of shells on both sides and mark the neck. Neck should be around 3 inches. Sorry, 6 inches. Okay, this neck should be 6 inches. I will count the number of shells and then mark it and then come back. So I have counted 4 shells. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shells from here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shells from here. So this will be the neckline. Not neckline, the neck. Okay, the width of the neck, that is 6.5 inches. That's okay, because after we completing this, we have to do the finishing. Then it will be correct. The neck will be only 6 inches. Okay, so now next is we have to start from here. Now this is the right side, and so we will be keeping this wrong side facing us. We will start working the front side. By that you will get the right side on this side, and also on the right sides on the same sides and the wrong sides on the same side. Okay, so you have to keep the wrong side facing you and start working. Okay, so here like this, here we'll start with 1 single crochet here. We'll start with 1 single crochet here, then into this point. This is the eye of the shell here. Into this point I will be making 5 double crochets, then single crochet into the next point here, then again 5 double crochet like this. Exactly the same number of shells on the front side also. So let us start with starting with a single crochet here. Okay, and now I'll be making a shell into the, actually that is not into the eye, into the point below the previous shell here. This is the eye of the shell, and below that there is the point for single crochet. I am working double crochets into that point. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and skip 2 stitches here and go into the third one and a single crochet again into the next point here. The next point is just above the eye of the previous shell here. Okay, see, like this I will make 4 shells here. Okay, till here. Okay, so I will complete that and come back. So the point I marked is 4 shells. Okay, I think it is better we stop with 3 shells here, because we have to slowly, after 2 or 3 rows, we have to slowly increase to a certain point. Okay, so the neck dip should be somewhat like 7 inches. So to maintain that, I think it is better to stop with 3 shells here. Okay, so going to stop here and work the next chain, and chain 1. Okay, so this is it. So now next is I will be working 3 rows like this, 1, 2 and 3. After this third row we will start slowly increasing it. Okay, I will work 3 rows, that is 1, 2 and 3, and from here onwards I will start increasing like this. Okay, so after I complete 3 rows of shells, not just 3 rows, it is, I meant 3 rows of shells, okay, including this this thing, that's the V stitch and the shell. So I will complete 3 rows here, 3 rows of shells here, and come back. So here I have done 1, 2 and 3 shells here, 3 rows of shells, and the last row is the V stitch. Into this V stitches we have to fill shells. Now here we will be doing only 3 double crochets, so that because we have to keep this line straight, and from on this side, that is on the neckline side, we have to increase from here. So onto this one, just like this increase, I will be working 5 double crochets. The previous one I have done only 3 double crochets here, so that to keep this straight, and now into this one I am going to increase. So slowly this will start getting increase and go like this, so that you will get a neck here. Okay, so from this point onwards I am increasing on this side, that means on the neck side. This is the armhole side, this is the neck side, so I am going to increase on the neck side, and in every row of shell I will be increasing on this side. Okay, so I will increase that and show you. Now I am continuing with shell stitch. 3 double crochets into the armhole side, because we don't have to increase that. And single crochet, and these two I'll be making 5. So this one here I'm going to make full shell here, that is 5 double crochets. Okay, so on this side it has started increasing, and this side it is going straight here, going straight like this. Armhole we have to work 6 inches on the straight line, and this side I am slowly increasing it, and next we have to make 1, 2, 3, 4 V stitches here, and so that on the next one I will be making on this side I will be making 5 double crochets, so that we have to increase this side. Okay, I will do that. So and completed the V stitches here, first one here, second, third and fourth, and now I'm going to work with shell stitches. So we reach the last point here. This is the last V here. I'm going to work with 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so again you can see this being increased here. See, slowly it is increasing like this. I will work into every row, I will be increasing, and I will work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rows of shells. Increase this 11 rows of shells so that it will reach somewhere like this, and that will be the one side neckline. Like that we will work on this side also. Okay, so we are going to work 11 rows of shells increasing on the neckline. I will complete that and show you. So I have worked till here, that means that till here, okay, this row. and from this row onwards we are increasing on this side also, on the armhole side also. Okay, this is the neckline here. So on the next row we have to make a full shell here. Usually we make only three double crochets here. From this row onwards I am going to expand on this side, so we have to make 5 double crochets here and start with a full shell, so that you can expand towards this side and also on this side. So next 2 rows I will be doing expansion on both sides, here and also here. So I will do that. I will complete that and show you. We are expanding on this side and also on this side. This side we have reached here. This side we have to make 2 rows of expansion here. After doing that I will come back. So you can see I have done an expansion here. Here I have done 5 double crochet, and also on the armhole side also I have done 5 double crochet, so that you can expand it. So from next one more row I will be doing one more row with the same expansion. Okay, I will do that and show you. So I have done 2 more rows like this. This is the leg line and this is the armhole here. Okay, so this is the armhole. Now we have to repeat the very same on this side also. Okay, on this side also we have to repeat the very same. So we will be starting with, we will start from here. We have to make 3 shells here. See, we have 1, 2, 3 shells here. So we will start from 1. We will be doing 1, 2, 3, and we will start from here. Okay, so I will take the 1, 2, 3. This is the single crochet. Which one is a single crochet here? This one is a single crochet. Okay, so I will be making. So I will cut it off and I will insert the needle here, pull the yarn and a single crochet, and now, sorry, it's not there. You have to insert the needle 1, 2, 3 here. This is the single crochet here. Okay, this shell is, we have a single crochet into this point, so we will be starting from here. Okay. Single crochet and working 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And single crochet into the next point here. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and single crochet into the next point here. There. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and single crochet into this point here. Okay, so we have started with 3 shells here, and continuing with we will be working, I think 1, 2, 3 shells, 3 rows of shells. That is 1, 2, 3. Till here we will be working only 3 shells, and after that we will start expanding and going like this. And when we reach here, we will expand on the left side also, on the armhole side also. So I will be repeating the very same on this side, and after completing that I will come back. So I have completed both the front side here. Okay, with this increasing neckline and a little bit increase onto the armhole. Okay, now the chest is 15.5 inches. I think I should increase, I should give an increase of 2 more inches 1 more inch on both 1 inch on both sides, so that the bust becomes 32 inches. Okay, so it will become, the size becomes 32. For that we have to, I will start from, I'm keeping this a front open top, so I will be starting from one side and start with V stitches, and when I reach here I will give chain, so that on the next row onwards we will be having more shells on this row. Okay, so I'll be starting from one point here. Okay, so I think I will start from here. I will start making chains from here, V's from here, and when I reach here I will give an increase for the increase for the bust. I will increase for 10 chains here. I will add 10 chains and then continue with V, and from when I reach here also I will give a 10 chain and continue with V. So I will show you how to work that. So I am going to start from this point into the first chain space here. I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, then continuing with 1 2 3 and a V to the same point. Okay, chain 1 and into the third stitch here. Okay, and again into the V, into this point here. See, I have started with V. When I reach here I will come back. So I reached the last point here, and I will be making one more V to this end. Okay, and now I'll be working 10 chains. Is it 10 not 10, 12 chains. That is for one double crochet here, one single crochet here. Okay, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. That's for 2 shells. Then now into this one going to make the next V in the beginning of this shell. Okay, and a V stitch. Okay, so from V to V we have 10 chains. So the next one, when we make the shells, I will make a shell here, then single crochet into skip 2 and single crochet, then again shell 1 here. Like this I'll be making, I think we will be making, let us see. Okay, I have increased anyway. I've increased 10 chains here. Okay, now again chain 1 and into the third one here, single crochet again, okay. So like this I will work the V next till here, and join these two ends also. I will make a joint like this. Okay, so I have reached the other end here. Now I have to join these 2 points. Okay, so I'll make 10 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, now I'm going to make a V into this first stitch here. Sorry. Okay, between two V's I have 10 stitches here. I'm continuing with, so I have completed that row of V stitches with extension on both sides here. Okay, now I will return. I'm keeping this front open top, so I will be returning from here. I'm not joining this together. I'm returning from here and going this 1 2 like this. Okay, leaving this the front side open. So I will start working shells from here. When I reach here, I will show you how to fill this one. Okay. So I've reached the last V here. Okay, and now I have done 5 stitches here, and I'm going to skip 2 stitches from the chain, 1 2, and in the third one I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, now I will skip 2 stitches and go into the third one and work 5 double crochets. Okay, that is for the shell. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now I will skip 2 and go into the third one here. Okay, make a single crochet. Okay, now I'm going into the V and skipping these 2, and I'm going into the V and making the next set of shells. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and single crochet into the middle of the shell. See, I've got 2 shells extra here. Not 2 shells, it is 1/2 here and 1/2 there, and 1 full here, so total of 2 shells. Okay, so we have expanded the armhole like this. Okay, now I will continue working, and when I reach here also I will be repeating the very same. Okay, after that when I reach here I will fill this with only 3 double crochets, because we have to, from here onwards we have to go it straight. Okay, we have to go it straight, so I'll be working only 3 double crochets into this last V here. In the previous rows we have done 5 double crochets so that we can go on increasing here, but here from here onwards we have to go straight, so I am only working 3 double crochets into the last V here. So after completing that I will come back. So we have joined the sides like this. Okay, the armhole we have joined it, and continue working here also like this. And now I've started working down. Okay, when we start working downwards, after joining this we have to start working downwards. Then on the edges we will have to work only 4 double crochets, 3 double crochets for the shell. It's a half of the shell. We will finish all the shells with half shell. Okay, on both sides like this. We have here also we will be stopping with half of the shell, and so that it will start going straight. Okay, now I will be continue working like this to, now let me see the measurement. So the measure comes to 17.5 inches, only 17.5 to 18 inches. Okay, that is the sizes 36 or 34 to 36. Okay, now I will work like this till some 10 inches. Okay, I will work till 10 inches. Okay, after that I will change the pattern. So I will complete this 10 inches of length and come back. So I have completed 10 inches, and now I am going to change the pattern to V stitches here. Okay, so next from the next one onwards we should stop the pattern with V's, not shells, with V's. And now I am going to continue with V stitches. Okay, so you should stop the pattern with V. Okay, not with shell, with V. So next one I'm going to continue with V stitches. So the 3 chains and one more chain, chain there, because there is a chain space there. And now into the V, going to make a V here. Chain 1 and into the V. And now we have made a V into that V. Okay, now we are going to make a V into the single crochet in the middle of the shell. Okay, chain 1 and one more double crochet. Again into the next V we are going to make a V. Again into the next single crochet, the next V. So like this I will complete the V stitches. Okay, so into the single crochet and into the V stitch we are making V's. See, like this I will complete the row and come back. Okay, so I have reached the last point here. See, now we have a chain space there for that one chain, and then double crochet into the last stitch here. See, we have a one double crochet there, so we have closed with a chain and a double crochet. So like this I will continue working and after that I will show you. So I have completed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 rows of V stitches. Okay, now I am going to change the pattern and I will be working one row of triple crochet. Okay, so let us start with triple crochet. Okay, so next I will make one single, without chain I'm going to make one single crochet into the very first point here and 3 more chains. That is for the triple crochet. So totally we have got 4 stitches here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now going into the chain space here, sorry, I have to make a triple crochet and okay, and now into the next arm of the V stitch I'm going to make one more, sorry, I have to make yarn over 2 times and pull the yarn through 3 times, 3, and now into the chain space here, again into the next arm, see, like this I will complete one row of triple crochet. And this is the first 3 chains here. Now I'll be making one more double crochet here. Okay, now I'll work 2 chains, skip 2 stitches here and go into the third one and make the next double crochet and one more double crochet. See, again 2 chains, skip 2, and one more double crochet. See, so the patterns goes like 2 double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, 2 double crochet. Like this I will complete this row. So I have completed that row of 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Okay, next is I am going to repeat this triple crochet. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 4. triple crochet into the next one. Okay, then into this chain space, going to work 2 triple crochets. Okay, and 2. Again into these 2 points, again 2. See, like this. Into this point I'll be making 2 triple crochets and continue like this with full triple crochet. Okay, so I will end this pattern here. There's triple crochet, full triple crochet, then double crochet, chain 2 double crochet, then triple crochet, and I will be closing this with all triple crochets, and after that I will continue with the V-stitch for the full length. Okay, after completing that I will I've completed with 1 row of triple crochet, then 1 row of double crochet, chain 2 double crochet, and 1 row of triple crochet. Okay, now I am continuing with this V-stitch here. Okay, so I will continue with the same V-stitch to the bottom of the top. Okay, so I have completed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows of V stitches below this triple crochet. Okay, so now the total length is 18 inches. So now I will stop the length here. If you want to add more length, you can add more. You can add more of this V stitches. Now I am going to work single crochets on both ends of on these 2 ends. I am going to work single crochets. I am not working on the neckline, only the front portion here I am working single crochets. Okay, so I will work 2 rows of single crochet and then come back. So on one side I have done 5 rows of single crochet here, 5 rows here. Okay, on one side, and on the other side here we have to fix the buttons here. Now on the other side I have done 2 rows of single crochet. Okay, 2 rows of single crochet, and I have to provide buttonholes for this side. Okay, if you for the buttons here I have to provide buttonholes here. So I will show you how to make that buttonhole. So I have completed 2 rows here. Now next is I will work till here. I will work single crochet till here. Okay, and I will I will make a buttonhole here. So we continue working with single crochets. So I worked till here. Now this is the buttons that I am going to fix. Okay, so according to that, I think we will need 3 stitches here. See, 3 stitches. I will leave 3 stitches here. 1 2 3. For that I will make 3 chains. 1 2 and 3. Okay, now I will go into the 3. I will go into the third one here. See, I have made a buttonhole here and continue working. Okay, should pass through this. Okay, see. Okay, now like this I will make buttonholes on this here. Now here and here. Okay, after this I will be making here, here and here, that 1 2 and 3. Okay, and I will complete that and come back. This is the last buttonhole that we are going to make, that 1 2 and 3 and 1 2 the third one here, and I'll be making one more double single crochet into that part. Okay, see, this is the last one here. Now I'll turn back and into the same point next one, and into this chain space I'm going to make 2 double crochets. Okay, and continue working. See, we got a buttonhole here, and this button will pass through that. See, okay, like this I will complete the here also. I will be making 2 single crochets into this, 2 single crochet into this chain spaces, and complete this row, and I will work one more row so that we will make it a 5 row. Okay, now next is like this. After completing this, I will work 2 rows of single crochet on this neckline. First I will complete 2 rows of single crochet on the armhole here, and after that I will complete 2 rows of single crochet on the neckline, and after completing that, it's simply single crochets. After completing that, I will come back. So I have completed the buttonholes here. We have 4 buttonholes here. So I have done 2 rows of single crochet, and then I left chain spaces and completed with 2 more rows of single crochet. Like that I have completed. The armhole also I have done 2 rows of single crochet, and also on the neckline I have done 2 rows of single crochet. And I will fix the buttons like this. So this is a beautiful pattern and a beautiful dress. It's a very simple one. I've used 2 full bundles of 100 grams, and also from the third one I have consumed some, and I have left this much. So approximately you will need 250 grams of yarn. Okay, so this is a very simple pattern. You must give a try. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another beautiful pattern.